It's
population
one of
if
the
ever here
most
on YouTube
popular series
today
I
is
read on YouTube
Confirmation,
today. It's a
interviewing for the
competitive
job in
interview for a
America.
job in
If
America.
English is
If
the
your
native
English
language, you're going to
isn't your
learn some
native language,
English
you're
as
gonna
the
learn some
important
English and
phrases to
some
know for
important phrases,
interviewing. And
for interviewing.
everybody is
And
going to learn what
everybody
you
is going
can
to learn
prepare
that
for
you
and
can
ace
prepare
your
for
next
and
job
it's
interview.
your next job
Let's do
interview. Let's
this.
do this.
You're hired.
We are hired.
Two words
Two
everybody
words
loves to
everybody
hear.
loves to
But
hear.
before we
But
hear these
before we
words
hear these
comes
words come,
the interview.
the interview.
Interviewing for a new
Interviewing
job
for a
can
new
be a
job
huge
can be a
source of
huge
stress
source
and
of
anxiety.
stress and
And if
anxiety.
you're
And
interviewing
if
for a
you're
job
interviewing
in a
for a
non
job
native
and
language,
your
the
non-native
stress can be
language, the
even
stress
higher.
can be even higher.
In this video,
And this
you'll see
video,
me
you'll see
interview
me
for a
and
job.
interview for a job.
Throughout the
Throughout
interview,
this
we'll
interview,
discuss some of
we'll
the
discuss
most
some of the
common
most
interview
common
questions
interview questions
and how to answer
and
them.
how to answer them.
You'll also learn
You'll
some
also
basic
learn some basic
information to get you
information to
started
get you
in
started
creating your
and
own answers
creating
to
your
these
own answers
questions.
to these questions.
Let's begin.
Let's begin.